Hello, welcome to Markham Synergy Education Center. Hello everyone, my name is Sonia Wang. I'm the center manager. Welcome to Atomy Canada Markham Synergy Education Center. Synergy come from actually it's inspired Synergy Ample because synergy means united, the strength. So our CEO also said in Atomy, everybody should have a united heart. We work together, enjoy the time together to help each other. In this kind of inspiration, I feel synergy is the best word to become my center's name. When I was sharing Atomy product with lots of people, I find if there is a nice place for people to come in to visit, for lots of people, try to help them understand Atomy's culture. The education center, if I have the fixed place to help people to understand more culture, that would be really helpful in all the aspects. So in that case, I start thinking to open the center. After become center manager, I feels like I'm mature a lot. Feels like mom. Like there's family, there's always a mom need to look after everything. So that's what I really feel. More responsibility and more enjoyment as well. I feel really happy. Our center culture is kind of family-oriented, like a big family, big brothers, sisters. The members and partners, we always help each other. Everybody take a different responsibility to help the center, help community. We do things together. So it's like my center's name, Synergy Center. After opening center, many members, I find that they change quite a lot, become only a few product consumer. And they really enjoy a lot of Atomy's product. Also, many people learn a lot of Atomy's culture. We have really kind company, so they learned our vision, our culture as well. So many people from the very few product user, right now they already become our very active partner as well. So I'm really happy for them. This is improvement for many of members. Yes, we do. Right now. We find that the member. We have once a month. So in each month we have one member's birthday party. So in that case, we invite all the members who was born in this month. We are going to have a party in this coming Saturday. We invite them all come together if they're available. So we celebrate together and like a big family. My center, I think we would, first, for the business point of view, we would increase as much member as possible. We are new among all the centers. So I think right now we have least member so far, but we will try the best to increase as many as possible because Atomy product is so great. We want to share to people, help more people's life, quality life. And also here we have more people to understand the culture, to let them enjoy, to be a family, Atomy family real member, to share Atomy culture to everybody together. That's what we really strive to do right now. For my personal goal, of course, I want to be Imperial Master. That's no doubt. And also for that purpose, I really wish to help as many as possible my partner to become the most, they call like our companies, to become most highest, the most number of highest income partners in my center. For the people who hasn't come here or who are come here, I just welcome everybody. This is your home. Like this center is opening for everybody to come to enjoy Atomy's we call the best quality, absolute price, the product. So also come to enjoy many things. People, we can share our vision, our leisure time together. So we can work together as well and to achieve balanced life. So welcome everybody. Come anytime if you have time. Really happy to see you guys here. Everybody come to enjoy our center. Our center fills out a lot of quality. We call the absolute quality, absolute price, Atomy's great product, and lots of things here. Come to enjoy, come to be Atomy's member. See you soon.
Hello everyone! My name is Ruben Fernando, Star Master all the way from Toronto Downtown Education Center. Way back 4 years ago, I start renting basement, party room as well at the back of the church. And then sometimes when it's raining, I was wet and soaked with the laptop and the computer. Yes, the reason why I love to come here every day, it doesn't matter it's Christmas, New Year, every days, weekends, I'm here. I guess I understand really this time how to value myself and being here. You know why? I guess it's a calling. It's not a work, it's not a job. It's the passion I have in me. Every time I come here, I'm so happy.